So one of the thing that I'm really intrigued and interested by is the path forward with 5G, the creation of value. I know that we talk a lot about 5G as a way to do what we do today, how we run manufacturing, how we run companies in a very different way to be more efficient. But what's interesting and intriguing is going to be what new companies are going to be created in the future because of 5G. Companies that do not exist today. This is all about innovation. What is the next generation of jobs that can be created because of 5G? So the value creation of 5G, not only to make today very efficient, but to create the new things for tomorrow. That's a part that I believe is very intriguing when it comes to 5G. It is just the beginning, but we truly believe that 5G is going to add and create much more value in many different countries, not for the companies that exist today, but for the new companies that will be created in the future.